What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we don't have anything to work on, which is a good thing. We don't have anything to work on. We went to Street Outlaws, No Prep Kings last night and just hung out. Today we have some errands to run. We're at the post office right now. Brendon has to ship some stuff out for some people. So today is just going to be a vlog style video. I am running some errands in the Mustang. Yeah, mostly because I have to wash it. It's a little dusty. The pollen's been really high lately, so there's a lot of pollen on the car. And I don't have windshield wipers anymore, so like it's just sitting on my windshield. Post office first?
Huh?
Post office first?
Yeah, we can do post office first. Errand day. Ugh. Coyotes don't chop. No, but they surge.
Car's like, what are you doing?
Yeah. It's cold.
Help me. Oh, you turned your heated seat on, but not mine.
I didn't know if you wanted it on or not. My bad. You don't really have your heated seat on that much, so.
It gets too hot, and then I get uncomfortable, and then I turn it off.
It's crazy, because, there's 3 different levels. You can put it on the lowest if you like. Here, let's try the mid-range for you, okay? Other than just baking your butt. Warming up my dinner.
Oh my god. I feel like I should put a mic on you. I don't know how well mine can pick you up.
I don't need a mic.
You don't need
Nobody
a mic.
wants to hear my
Shut the
annoying, scratchy voice.
Shut up. Pat told me to get a mic so that he could hear your voice. I can't see.
Well, that's what happens when you have a 4-inch cowl hood. Like, no matter how you sit, you cannot see out of this thing. It's honestly extremely bad.
Yeah. 4 inches is big.
Yeah. Say 4 inches is big?
Yeah.
Boys! we're back, baby! Make 4 inches big again.
Garage sale.
Oh, yeah. Let's show up to a yard sale on our twin turbo Mustang.
Oh my god.
What you guys got?
Let me lowball you. I don't remember where to turn. Calm down.
6R?
Hello?
You can take a left here.
Okay. My blinker doesn't make the noise anymore.
Isn't it crazy when you put the correct bulbs in where your blinkers are supposed to be, and look at that.
It doesn't
correctly.
hyper flash?
Yeah, weird. Wow. A lady, I was boxing that stuff up. The lady was like, "Oh, is that you outside on the motorcycle?" Like to the old dude, and goes in front of us.
Yeah.
And then she goes, "No, there's some car out there." She goes, "Oh, that's a car." She goes, "Yeah, it must be like one of those supercharged cars."
It's boosted, but sure.
Non-car vehicle.
For real.
And then the lady was starting to complain. She's like, "Oh, my sister used to have one of those things. They're just. It's like I could hear them all the way. They're so loud."
It's not even loud.
It's actually, you could hear this thing idling perfectly fine on the inside. Yeah.
Oh. It's hard to gauge how close it is to the ground. Kid looks like Justin Bieber.
He did. Yeah, he got the Bieber.
Check fuel fill. Isn't that a typical thing that this car throws on my tune?
Yeah, on gas.
Can you open that water?
Rob tunes. My truck used to do that all the time.
Can you open it?
Do you have a gas cap in this, or is it just put the nozzle in?
It's just the nozzle.
Yeah.
It's got a flap.
Yeah. I don't know what it is with Rob tunes, because I've asked that every single time when, it was only on pump gas, never E85. My truck was on the E85. It would throw a code for the shutter grill and evap. On pump gas, it would always say check fuel inlet.
Weird.
Every single time.
That's so weird.
It's also because they don't have a cap, so it has something to do with the evap after you I don't know why, but boost leash, turn up.
What?
5 on the gate.
Not on pump gas.
But why?
I don't want cargo boom. I want to get coffee. Should we get Aroma Joe's? God. Or do you want to go to Pressed? I don't care.
I don't know.
If we go...
coffee, so.
Oh, but you get the peanut butter power.
What do you want to do? Child. Let me put it in N and read it.
Well, I don't have a trans brake, so I can't do that.
Sorry, the last thing I need to fix on the car.
Honestly, it's probably a good thing that you don't fix it, because
Yeah,
I'd
you're
probably...
doing it all the time.
I'd be two-stepping this. What was that, 2 pounds?
Yeah.
I don't like their merges here.
Do you like anything?
I like you.
Hey, stop.
And I like how green it is.
It's not even that green yet. Half the trees are still...
I know, they're not even fully back.
It's the only thing I could ever live somewhere in Arizona or something.
That's
no grass.
the main problem that I had with living there was nothing. Like, sometimes it would be green in the springtime, but for the most part, all
What would be green?
they had some green
The fake
trees.
planted trees that they put in.
Yeah.
Make you feel at home.
The palm trees that
Yeah.
aren't native to Arizona. But yeah, the color palette for Arizona is just tan, brown, blah, concrete. Holy
I think we've gone to Pressed almost every single weekend for the past like 7 months, and you still ask, is it this one?
Hey, I don't miss it anymore.
Still ask though.
Drive right by it because you're on your phone. Oh, we were supposed to turn back there. Thank you.
It's because I can get anywhere and everywhere in the entire New England area without GPS.
I'm so happy for you. Ugh.
Welcome to today's video where we'll be sponsored by Taylor's Hair Products. And her constantly touching her hair.
Friend?
That was Brad. Brad.
I don't know who Brad is.
Some young kid in a C5.
I could have told you that. Did you make up that name, or do you actually know him?
No, it's Brad. His actual name's Brody, though. Brody.
Interesting.
I don't know. Nice kid. Oh, look, a Dunkin' Donuts, where we put one across the street from a
Dunkin' Donuts. Crazy.
America runs on Dunkin' Donuts. I feel like Dunkin' Donuts is just a front.
Here at the window.
Thank you.
$20 to park. $35 a person to get in.
I have to sneeze.
Not into me. Oh, blush it. That's a good one.
Oh, bless you.
Thank you. Jeez.
It's contagious.
Can I pet that dog?
Can I bet that dog?
Pet that dog?
I've curbed a wheel in a drive-thru before. I'm not doing that again. Not to my welds. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Make sure I turn so I don't curb.
Let me,
That guy was staring hardcore.
Who was?
The guy in that Mercedes.
I would be too. Hot Bond and a Mustang.
And then there's me.
Is that the Grim Reaper? And then there's me.
Yeah.
Nah, he was definitely like, damn, look at that bald dude in that Mustang. Oh!
Jesus.
You see that bird?
Yeah.
It almost flew into the car. What the fuck? Going and looking at clothes for an hour.
I'm not gonna look for an hour. I hate shopping.
Doesn't bother me.
Do you guys have a Forever 21 in the mall, actually?
I think so.
Because they have a bunch of Mustang and like Ford merch. You don't have to do a brisk little walk. I'm gonna stop for you. I'm not a typical Mustang. I'm a cool Mustang. I did almost pull a Mustang last year, though.
Yeah, you did.
That wasn't my fault, though.
No.
I didn't know I was out of fuel. Because you didn't remove the chime from the passenger seat.
I don't think there was a selection for that. Didn't I look?
I thought that was a Fusion.
I don't understand why it does that.
I don't either. You know what? When I pressed on the brake, the fuel pump didn't prime. I wonder if... Now it did.
Yeah, that's weird. So, yeah, you hit the brake, it normally primes the pump, and it didn't that time, did it?
Yeah.
So, then it didn't start. That's weird. It takes too long for the fuel to get back to the motor.
I'll have to watch that back in the video and make sure, but I'm pretty sure I didn't hear it prime.
Maybe double tap the brake next time if you ever go to start it, see if it does, or just pay attention to that.
Yeah.
That makes sense why it's not starting.
Yeah.
It might be an aftermarket fuel system issue.
I'd never noticed that before, so it might be it.
But the car didn't ever really do that though until we had Rob tune it, right?
Yeah.
I think I know what we need on X on this parachute.
Yeah. I agree. You're lopey today. What is that? My hair's a disaster today. I don't know why it's sticking straight up. I need hairspray for that. I got little baby hairs that just like...
I hope that makes it into the video.
like a cat.
Yeah, you're a cat, right? That's a nice looking.
Stop!
Oh, sorry. We're gonna cut that out.
That's going in the video. No, I'm just kidding. Cam watches this.
Are you okay?
No.
What's your problem?
My eyebrow itches.
Itching.
I did. Whoever said my car can't turn, explain this.
No.
It turns into your mom's driveway just fine.
Oh my God.
You know, this phone is kind of hard to hold with this microphone thing on it. Say hello to YouTube.
Ready to finish this. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello to YouTube. This is who did my car.
Hi. How's this thing turning out? Good. Yeah.
Someone randomly just commented back to my message on that ST talking. He goes, at the end of the day, you're still balding though.
Why does everybody resort to like your baldness? You have a lot of hair. You just choose to shave your head. Like,
I commented, I choose to shave my head actually because your wife likes a feeling between her legs.
stop.
Dog!
Dog.
Dog! What else did we need to do?
Nothing really.
That was it?
I think just wash this.
You're just like me, Forky. You're trash.
This dude.
My husband works and pays all the bills, so that means I have to do everything he tells me to do. That includes being happy to submit to everything.
The fuel pump didn't prime.
I don't get it.
I don't know.
Maybe it thinks it doesn't need to because it was just running.
I don't know. Might be a temp thing. Now you're bald, bro. Own it. I can see the male baldness from a mile away. I'm not fucking bald. Like, everyone always like goes right after me for. Oh yeah? Well,
Like
you're bald.
Your hairline's right here.
My hairline's like this. This has been the same hairline I've had since I was like. Oh wait, my hairline. Like what the? My entire family has the same damn hairline.
That's the only insult he can think of because he can't call any of your cars or bikes slow.
I know.
Oh yeah? Well, you're bald.
I'm sorry that I shave my head every single week. Like, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't like hair.
You're bald though.
Yeah, I'm bald.
You're bald. I can see it. You're bald.
I'm balding. My girlfriend's car is faster than yours.
He doesn't have a car.
Exactly. That motherfucker sound good.
Babe, when did we get a Hellcat? When did we get a Hellcat? Oh wait. That's how we check the mail. Sheesh. Look at you. Got this one. All right there.
She's gonna ruin your video.
Thank you.
You know what you're doing?
What?
You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Just here to annoy my girlfriend.
It's the front brake.
Wrong. Rear brake.
Sorry.
That's what you're gonna do, scoot around? Yeah, I'm still here goofing, scoot goofing.
New scoot goofing.
Scoot goofing.
I like the back of your shirt.
What?
My car would be faster, but I have kids.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet because I don't have kids. Kind of a dad joke, but I'm not a dad.
You are the kid. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching, as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I don't know. Somehow one of my videos went from, I posted it a year ago, went from 800 views to like 10,000 in the last 2 weeks, and I've doubled my subscribers basically, which is wild to me, but like also really cool to watch, and I'm super excited to like keep growing. So share with your friends. I try to do cool stuff and try to show people how I do. I don't know if I'll post this before or after my maintenance on the Fusion video, so I guess we'll see.